Hello mga ka-solar, sa mga gustong mag-DIY ng solar setup, share ko lang yung aking computation or magiging design. So ang design na to is good for 1 horsepower AC inverter aircon. So dito nag-base ako sa consumption namin dun sa bahay. Ang 1 horsepower AC inverter, or theoretically, ang 1 horsepower is equivalent to 746 watts. Pero since inverter siya and nag-base ako sa actual consumption sa bahay, ang nakikita ko lang usually sa meter reading is parang kalahati lang yung consumption. So 746 ang lumalabas ay naglalaro lang to sa 300 to 400 watts yung actual consumption. Then yung usage ko naman during daytime is nasa 5 hours lang. Nag-umpisa kaming mag-aircon at 11 in the morning, then pinapatay namin in the 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Then during night time naman, mga around 12 hours. So ni-start namin yung aircon at 7 o'clock in the evening, then pinapatay din namin in the 7 in the morning. So meron total consumption during daytime, so 0.37 times 5, you will come up with 1.87 kilowatt hour yung consumption during daytime. Then during night time naman, multiply lang natin yung 12 hours times yung 0.37 kilowatt hour na wattage ng aircon. So magkakaroon tayo ng 4.48 kilowatt hour with a total of 6.34 kilowatt hour per day. So ito lang yung para sa aircon natin. Total din na usage nito is 17 hours. So para sa computation na aking ginawa, since dapat masupplyan yung aircon natin during daytime and nighttime. So during nighttime, ang requirement natin is 4.48 kilowatt hour, and during daytime naman is 1.87 kilowatt hour with a total of 6.34 kilowatt hour daily. Then ang magiging masave natin dito is 190 kilowatt hour monthly, since i-multiply natin yung 6.34 kilowatt hour daily times 30 days, kaya na-come up natin yung 190 kilowatt hour. Or i-multiply natin yung per kilowatt hour sa base sa Meralco. So sa amin base sa bahay, 15 pesos yung computation. Pinaka-safe na yun, kasama na yung mga system loss. So magkakaroon tayo ng savings na 2,850 pesos monthly. So, paano natin nakuha yun? 190 times 15 pesos. So based dito sa requirement natin, ito yung mga kailangan natin sa solar setup. Una is yung battery. Yung battery, ito yung magsusupply ng aircon natin during night time. So pinaka power bank talaga. So para ma-sustain yung aircon during night time, na kailangan niya is 4.48 kilowatt, dapat mas mataas yung capacity ng battery natin. So 24 volts, 200 ampere hour yung minimum na pwede natin i-set up na battery, or 5.12 kilowatt hour, since minsan kasi 25 ang pinakamadaling paraan dito is i-multiply yung voltage, rated voltage times yung ampere hour. Supposed to be 4,800, pero since hindi exactly 24 volts to, lumalagpas siya 25.1 volts usually. I-multiply sa 200 kaya nakam up yun 5.12 kilowatt hour na rating ng battery. So since ang battery di natin gusto na i-drain up to 0%, 90% lang yung gusto natin, meron siyang usable na 4.6 kilowatt hour, which is pasok sa requirement ng aircon natin na 4.48 kilowatt hour. So next, solar panel natin, merong mga available sa online na 615 watts each. So tatlo yung requirement natin. Bakit tatlo? So gusto natin during daytime ma-full charge si battery. At the same time, ginagamit natin yung aircon. Dapat kaya-kaya niyang i-full charge. So tatlong ang kailangan natin, which is equivalent to 1.8 kilowatt hour. So since 4.6 or 5.12 kilowatt hour lang yung battery, so pag i-compute natin to, dapat 3 to 4 hours lang ma-full charge na yung battery natin. Pero since gusto natin habang ginagamit din yung aircon at the same time nagcha-charge siya sa battery during daytime, so meron tayong window na 4 to 5 hours na charging time. So safe na to yung tatlong panel na 615 watts, which is equivalent to 1.8 kilowatt hour na naproproduce kada oras. So hybrid inverter naman, na-identify ko dito, minimum requirements is 3 kilowatt. So meron naman mga available online na nakita ko. Ang price niyan is 10,500. So ito, kayang-kaya niyang paandarin na yung 1 horsepower na aircon. So nilagay ko lang dito yung miscellaneous, which is around 15,000. Included na yung mga wirings, circuit breakers, and mga bracket para sa solar panel. Dito, hindi ko na in-include yung labor, since ang balak ko na lang naman dito is i-DIY siya. So based sa computation natin, ang ROI natin ay yung total na compute natin yung ROI, yung total na expenditure natin, which is 71,900. Then yung magiging savings natin monthly, which is yung 2,850 pesos. Kaya divide lang natin siya. Magiging nito ROI natin is 25.2 months by computation. Pero since dito hindi natin kinonsider yung during rainy seasons, kaya pinaka-safe dito is 3 years na ROI. So yun lang yung nakita ko na pinakamabilis na ROI, tsaka yung mga minimum requirements para mapagana natin yung 1 horsepower na aircon natin during daytime and nighttime. So hopefully makatulong. Then comment lang kayo kung tama ba yung aking computation.